Okay, so we're going to cut our titles out now. We're going to do two different ways of cutting out. The best way for a nice straight edge is obviously the guillotine, but on some of the more bubbly type writing, all we're going to do, using our scissors, we are very carefully going to cut around the shape. So I'm leaving a little white border where there's a space between the letters. My scissors are just cutting up a little bit and then coming back round. There shouldn't be any, I say as I've just done one, the cutting out should be nice and curved. It shouldn't be jagged and geometric looking. Your white border should be nice and even the whole way around the letter word. And learning how to cut out nice and controlled just like this. You know, it's a big part of your objective 4, which is presenting. We've got to show that we can present things really well, present our ideas really well. And there we go. So we've got one nice title there, which is cut out. Just looking at the shape of the letter. Some of the other titles, I'm just going to put along here, just so it's a bit easier. Some of the other titles, they're going to suit the guillotine much more than they are this technique. If it's a bubble writing, then it's going to suit this technique. If it's a straight writing, then it's going to suit being cut nice and straight. My advice, I've practiced for years and years to cut straight like that, and I still can't do it very well. Use the guillotine. So all I'm doing here is just cutting it a little bit closer to my letters. I'm just doing it a bit at a time because I'm still gauging what I actually want it to look like. I think that looks quite nice. So there we go. We've got an example of cutting around and cutting nice and straight. And, you know, this just shows understanding of the formal elements. Because that shape there, we've been looking at geometric shape, so it makes sense to use a geometric shape when cutting it out. So the texture, it is curvy, so I'm going to use that curvy cutting style. Cutting around the letters, leaving a little white border. Three nice borders now. If we look at the word pattern, it's quite straight, the letter, and it's not curvy. So nice straight line. So what we want to make sure is that white border around the word is nice and even. There we go. Now this one is straight, however, because the letters are positioned a little bit spaced apart, because it's the word farm and we wanted it to look 3D. Because of the amount of space, we could probably get away with doing this. But this one's up to you. You might want to cut it with a guillotine. You might want to cut it with the scissors. Depends which technique you like. Now torn is a nice straight text, so we're going to do a nice straight line on it. And line is nice and straight, so again a nice straight edge. And as I was saying,